Hi guys, welcome to MELS Media Education Learning Simpler, a powerhouse for everything pertaining to academics in the field of media and communications. This is a special series of snippets based on the UGC NET examination. Let's proceed with today's video.
And we come to qualities of a news editor. These are irrespective of what kind of format you're working for. Any person who has been given the role of an editor should have these qualities. Understanding business etiquette, how the business is run, what is good for business and what is not good for business. They are organized. They know how to work properly. They know how to follow rules and regulations and what kind of work is required out of them. Have a solid grasp of their publication. This may also be channel, this may also be station. What my channel is, values it stands for, who are its target audiences, what it has done in the past, what area it can explore in the future. Then you have, they can suggest sources. They are obviously nobody becomes editor overnight. You are promoted from the bottom, like from a reporter to you move to this level. So you build up sources of your own. So you can, even if you cannot directly name your sources to other your subordinates, your reporters, you can at least guide them as to how to build sources, how to gather sources and stuff. These people have their own sources as well. They may refer them to these people as well, or they may ask them to create their own sources, assist them in creating their own sources. They have a solid self-esteem. They know who they are, why they're in that position, and why they have to take certain decisions. They should not be proudy, they should not be arrogant, but they should have a sense of esteem that they are going on the right track and doing the right thing. Only when they have confidence can they instill it in others. They are prudent copywriters. An editor, even if you are not the copy editor, you may be managing editor, you may be the topmost news editor of the house, you are not daily engaging in copywriting, but you have to be a very prolific copywriter because you have to be an example for all your reporters and other copy editors, sub editors. They are themselves very good at copywriting generally, be it for the print, be it for the broadcast media, because they have gained this position with experience, with practice. They aren't raging egotists, as I said. They cannot be people with a lot of ego who will not listen to their subordinates, who will not take suggestions. They have to be people who work with everyone together. Take everyone's suggestion and decide yourself with confidence what is the best. They don't change their minds without a really good reason. Once something is decided, once something is said, this task will be undertaken, this story will be published, this sting operation we will do, they generally have to go ahead with it because their commitment is very crucial. They generally don't, they should be people who generally don't change their minds, who follow through. People who follow through. That means people who are going through stories that have been collected. They check whether everything is authentic or not. They follow up stories. Once anything has happened, they will not let it go by. They will continuously try to explore the story till it's actually reached its conclusion or is absolutely dead. And finally, they show appreciation. They are people who need to support their subordinates, who need to motivate them. And for this very reason, they should show appreciation to their subordinates and other people. Editing for different formats. Every format has its own editing styles. So when we are working for newspaper, these are the various ways we need to make sure we are editing a particular story. Analyze and capitalize various requirements of print media. The editorial team. I'm not saying one editor in particular. This is for the entire editorial team. You are supposed to understand how print media is working right now, what possibilities lie for it, what is it required to do, how is it required to maintain the audience hold, and so take those steps. Produce news by presenting information with accuracy, flow, and within time frame. You have to be very sure about what you're publishing. You have to maintain constant news flow and you have to maintain time. That means whatever has happened today, till the point it goes for your publication, absolutely at night. Till then, you have to wait and see if some development has emerged. And if something big happens, you may even have to order for stop press and then send in the news stories. If some like big event takes place at night, late at night, or whenever it's time that your paper is getting printed. Design innovative and unique solutions to optimize routine news coverage. What is it that we are doing wrong? Are we wasting our resources? Are the same people being made to cover one thing and few things are being left out? These kind of things, how can your work be easier? Like suppose say an incident has happened, say political incident has happened, it has happened near the house of any sports journalist, environment journalist. So at least you will call them and tell them before coming to office, go to that place, gather what details you can, gather what information you can, then I will send my political reporter later on as soon as possible. But since you are nearest, go on the spot immediately and find information. So these kind of things, unique solutions, help you fasten your news coverage. So as an editor, the editorial team needs to grab hold of such opportunities. Manage and edit contents to cater to readers' requirement. Obviously, if you fall out with your readers, if you see that they are pissed at your coverage or anything, they are not liking what you are saying in your publication, then you will lose circulation as well and image as well. So you have to manage and edit contents so that readers are satisfied after reading your paper. Work within creative environment to respond to various competing priorities. You need to get creative, and especially in today's era when you have competition from digital, you have competition from uh, television to was there since past 15-20 years. So you have to be very, very innovative and apply whatever style you can. Like one day it was for advertising. I'm not saying it was for news, but Times of India to do for some iodine, lack of iodine campaign or something like that for Tata or someone. What they did was they hid all the I's in their first page. So the Times, India, these words and all the news articles, all the headlines did not have the letter I to raise awareness about lack of iron. This was a paid campaign, I understand, but still, this was an innovation which was much talked about. So you have to get creative with time. Prepare work schedule and deadlines and encourage team members to meet targets. Very simple. You have to give people enough time so that they can work on one story and move ahead to next. Coordinate with colleagues in the newsroom to define priorities for the same. What is it that should be our priority? What should be our first page news? What should be our leading story? What should we focus upon? Is what you need to coordinate with the other people in the newsroom. Collaborate with reporters, editors, and photojournalists to facilitate news coverage. You are making sure that every reporter, every editor, every photojournalist is coordinated. कौन कहाँ से रिपोर्ट लिख के आके किसको देगा, उसका उसका पिक्चर, like accompanying picture, which photojournalist will cover, who will provide. That is all what everyday basis coordination covers. And last is manage and edit daily news, special news stories and periodical items. There are few supplements which come weekly, some special news items which come, like Telegraph gives us a magazine on entire contacts of Calcutta early in the year. So these kind of things an entire editorial team has to look after. Questions can come, like they can give you 2-3 responsibilities or 2-3 situations and make you select which option is best suited as a responsibility of the editorial team.
If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button and share with your friends. For any doubts and your feedback, reach out to me in the comment section. For UGC NET online tutorials, follow the instructions given in the description section. Hope to see you soon with the next one. Thank you.